Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and today we had a fun, special day in our CFM class. We enjoyed Treats by TRISCI. So I ordered a party pack for my CFM, which is Career and Financial Management class, and then I created an assignment for them to give feedback for one of the students who opened up her business. This is TRISCI, Treats by TRISCI. She sells chocolate-covered strawberries, chocolate-covered pretzels, and Rice Krispie treats. And then she had a party pack. I ordered that, and then I just saw her in person, but I know she has on her flyer that you can order on Instagram, and that's her Instagram. Okay, so this is what we got. So this, she packaged it very nicely. She put the Rice Krispie treats on a stick, and then that was convenient. And then I think I can zoom in. She had like little candy on the chocolate covered pretzels, also on the strawberries. She put the packaging was just beautiful. And then she dipped it, and she even added sprinkles and stuff like that. So the packaging alone was very, very nice. So those were all the treats. We laid it out for all the students in the class. And then each student got to pick one of the 3 items. And then we had leftovers, which we, shared, and depending on their grades and behavior, some students got to have an extra treat. So here's the assignment. Okay, so I wanted to share the assignment, and then we're going to give some feedback how TRISCI can make changes and improve her business. So I introduced the assignment and how we're going to celebrate one of our students in the classroom. We taste her products, and then at the end, I had them answer these 3 questions and post this on Schoology. So how much would you pay for 1 chocolate-covered strawberry? Question number 2 was how much would you pay for 1 chocolate-covered Rice Krispie treat? And then the third one was the pretzel stick. Then I asked the students to visit Stop and Shop or like ShopRite, and then look up the cost of strawberries, sprinkles, the pretzel sticks, the chocolate to cover these treats. There's a lot of costs, and nowadays it is not cheap in the supermarket, especially some fresh fruit. I know strawberries, it's very hard to eat healthy when you're on a budget. So even the cost of sprinkles, pretzels is probably the most inexpensive of the 3, but having the students understand the cost of these items was crucial when doing this assignment. And unfortunately, they had to do a little bit for homework because the websites, a lot of our content, these websites were blocked. ShopRite, Stop and Shop, like a supermarket, all of our shopping websites. So they had a little homework, but I just asked them, they answered what they could as far as the price and what they would pay. As a business owner, you realize how valuable your time is. And then I asked the students, how long do you think it took TRISCI to make all these treats? So she told me it took 3 hours last night, and that's quite some time. There's 2 boxes of chocolate-covered strawberries. We got 2 boxes of the chocolate-covered Rice Krispie treats, and then 1 big box of that chocolate-covered pretzels. Which product do you think is the least expensive? So again, doing some research on the cost of Rice Krispie treats, pretzel sticks. You can buy this at like your local Costco or BJ's, very, very large. Her pretzel sticks it was like a 3/4 length. I know they have some even smaller, and they come even like the longer rods. So there's different sizes of the pretzel sticks. Okay, and then if TRISCI I just gave them a hypothetical because I didn't know how long it took her to make this. 4 hours last night making these, and she charged $55 for everything. Do you think she was overpaid or underpaid? And then how much should she charge for all of this? So this was her party pack. Thanks, Miss Todoric. So we got pictures of the treats. Students had fun. They enjoyed. Pretty much everyone said it was delicious. They loved it. Looking at the wrappers on the floor and the mess we made, it was definitely absolutely no leftovers. So I think everyone was pleased. And then here are some student responses. So TRISCI, I hope you're watching. A lot of the students, like I said, we had cocoa strawberries. We had another student, Yared, last year. She charged $3 for 1 chocolate-covered strawberry. And she easily wrapped it up in like one of those sandwich bags. And then that's how she distributed it. It was pretty much, some students thought it was expensive, but she was selling them. So I don't think it's that expensive. And looking at the feedback from the students, I think a lot of them said they would spend $2.50 up to like $3.50. So I'm going to show you the responses. This student said he would pay $3 for one chocolate covered strawberry. For a Rice Krispie treat, he would pay $2, and a little more for the chocolate covered pretzel, $2.50. How long? This student said it would take 2 hours to make all these treats. Which product do you think is least expensive? The least expensive could be the pretzel because it has the least, and the other has more and also costs a lot in the supermarket. So this student has an idea of the cost of products in the supermarket. Okay, and then for the party pack, this student said, I think she's underpaid. I also agree. She should do $70. So here's a suggestion for you, Tristy. The next time we do a class party and I order a party pack, absolutely charge $70. And then you can gather orders from students. I'll let you know when that day is, and they can buy their own small package of 6 or 12, however she's going to package this up. Or she can even sell it individually for $3 each. Okay, here's another response. $3.50, $3, $3. We have $2.50, 3 and 2. Okay, this student, I would pay $2 for the chocolate covered strawberry, $1.50, a little less. I think it would take her a couple hours to do all those treats, but a couple of minutes if she's fast enough. That's cute. All right, maybe the chocolate covered pretzels. So I think a lot of students are realizing the pretzels are probably the least expensive. I would say they're all good at a good price because not only the material is expensive nowadays, but it does take time. Yes, you have to value your time. That's very important. You know, it takes time from you doing your schoolwork. I apologize, I kind of put that over. We have 2 entries over here. So it's nice to see all the student feedback. I've never received an assignment where usually it takes a couple days for the students to get back. But I think being that TRISCI is a student in the classroom, and when you present student projects and you tailor it to your students, I think you get more student support, and then you have a ton of responses. So TRISCI, you had a lot of support with all your classmates, and just about everyone pretty much completed this assignment, which was nice. So here's some feedback, some lessons learned. I hope you learned from this. I hope you're watching this video. Take some of these suggestions, apply it for next time. I'm thinking of doing this possibly right before Thanksgiving. We'll order another party pack. Hopefully you'll change the pricing on your flyer. You'll do that. And then take orders as well. If I'm going to do it, I'll let you know which class. I'm going to do it for a different class, probably the entrepreneurship class. My advice, like I said, a student was like, what? You don't take a Cash App? Everyone has Cash App. All your students, all your classmates, we live on Cash App. So get your Cash App, get it together. Make sure next time you can accept cash payments. So the pricing, I'm sure you'll change with all the feedback. You can even sell it individually. One advice I would give you is stay away from like the extras. Like the sprinkles are nice, but sometimes if it's just a chocolate covered pretzel, it was just as delicious as the one with the sprinkles. And with the extra, I know the cost of these little extra candies on top of it look beautiful, but that's an additional cost. So I would just minus all the extra candies so you don't have to purchase that. Save yourself some money, and then you'll see more in profit. So that's what I would do. Update your flyer. I'm going to share all the students are going to know this Instagram where they can place the order. It was nice to see another student place an order literally right in front of you in class, gave you the cash. So that was pretty cool. And you actually motivated 2 other students, and everyone saw that. You know, it was nice to see the other students, you know, willing and motivated to actually share their business. So next month, we'll showcase another student and their business and see what they have to sell. All right, so I hope this helps. So your homework, you got some homework. Update your flyer. On your flyer, you should include possibly like a Cash App or like a QR code or something over here where they can pay you. You accept, let's just say, Cash App or PayPal or Venmo or whatever you're going to decide that. Increase the party pack. I would be a little specific, you know, like 12 chocolate covered mini box of strawberries. We didn't know it was chocolate covered. Maybe you want to add chocolate covered with sprinkles or without sprinkles. You can add more for sprinkles, add more for the extra candy. I used to sell last year 2 pretzel rods for $1, and those sold. And it was just like, you can stick with something simple because we could keep those out. Think of, obviously, we have a small refridge, so that might be a problem as far as keeping these strawberries cool and if we have very large orders. But I think the party pack was great. It worked. It fit exactly enough space in my small fridge for the class, and we will definitely order from you again. Students, if you're watching, don't forget, add Treats by Tristy on Instagram. Message her there if you want to order one individual a box, and she will let you know her updated prices. And that was fun. So we had a good day. Thank you so much. They were delicious. I enjoyed the assignment. I enjoyed the feedback, and I know the students had a good time. Thanks for watching. Bye.